Hi guys! It's already 4:32 na ng umaga. So pauwi na tayo galing work and yeah, nakakapagod guys. Kasi ang dami kong ginawa, like naghugas ng pinggan. So today guys, another busiest day, and a lot of you guys don't know how I actually manage my time and why I don't have time to go around like those youth out there. So because you know, I'm too busy, and alright, wag tayong mag-English kasi wala tayo sa ano. Charet. Kasi ngayon 24 hours tayong hindi matutulog. Yeah, so tama ang narinig nyo guys. 24 hours tayong hindi matutulog. Ay, ako pala. Kasi graveyard shift ako sa work, and then 6 a.m. prep, then pupunta ng hospital for clinical duty hanggang 3 p.m. After that, babalik ulit ako sa work, and 12 na ako uuwi ng Tuesday, 12 a.m. and then yun lang. I also want to make a plan or schedule for myself para naman magawa ko yung mga hobbies ko, kasi medyo nakakalimutan ko na silang gawin. Yeah. And also my studies, especially all my major subjects, because one of the important things to qualify at mapunta sa next level, ganun. Hindi madali yung mga ginagawa ko guys, so yung mga malalakas lang talaga yung nakakagawa nito. So ayun guys, matutulog na ako ng Martes. So yun, 24 hours lang hindi nakatulog. So buti kinaya ko, kasi my God, immortal tayo eh. Dapat kaya natin lahat. Yun lang guys, matutulog na ako, and goodbye.